Thank you for taking a few moments to meet with Dr. Zelinsky and myself. I'm the business director of Mind-Eye Institute and the person responsible when you get some information about some changes, such as changes in prices, changes in policies. I'm the one responsible for that. It's really been a difficult decision because I've come to know the meaning that Dr. Zelinsky has in our lives, the impact that she has on all of us with our children, ourselves, our patients, and our futures. At the same time, Dr. Zelinsky, because she has such a healing heart, has been mandated by the circumstances to work enormous hours. And you probably know that there hasn't been a succession plan. The truth is that in my mind, Dr. Zelinsky stands alone, head and shoulders above many, many other optometrists in the world. And her work is pioneer work that can save our lives in the future and help us with our at-risk population. And the only way to train people is to train them from scratch. So Dr. Myers has come on, other doctors are intended to come on and learn the skills that Dr. Zelinsky has so that she can focus on research. We're going to limit Dr. Zelinsky's hours to only 36 hours per week, 45 weeks per year, so she can do more research, more speaking, more teaching. And to do that research in areas of dyslexia for the many millions of people that she can help, they're only in those certain hours that are available. Those are the hours with the world's best person, and they have to be premium hours. So please understand, we're not trying to take Dr. Zelinsky away from you at all. We care about you. We want you to get care, and we have other great doctors that she has approved to come alongside to support, and Dr. Zelinsky's often present in that care. So please understand, we're doing our very best. We're not perfect yet, but we're always striving to do that, and we appreciate your patience. This is not about money. This is about a long-term, successful practice that has succession, that if anything happens to Dr. Zelinsky, heaven forbid, you have a doctor that you can count on that understands the care. Thank you so much. And doctor, anything you'd like to say about all that?
Yeah, I mean, our long-term goal is to set it up so that we serve underprivileged communities, because that's what I want to do. And in order to get to the point where we can do that, we need to have grants, and in order to have the grants, we need to have the research. And in order to have the research, I need to have the time. So what Mr. Smyth is doing is setting it up so I have time, as he's saying, working 36 hours with patients. The optometry schools are doing a very good job of teaching people how to be optometrists. So what they're not doing is teaching other things that link with optometry. They are teaching optometry. The things that are new research that has come out in 2016, 2017, 2018 are new retinal connections that haven't yet had the chance to get into optometry schools. So that's what we're promoting at Mind-Eye Institute, is all the newest research, and go through the Society for Neuroscience, through the Society for Brain Mapping and Therapeutics in order to learn the new information, and then we're bridging the gap between neuroscience and eye care. But the schools themselves are doing a wonderful job training optometrists to be optometrists. It's the field that needs to be updated into the 21st century. In the long run, what I see the Mind-Eye Institute doing is looking at the eye as a part of the brain. And as Dr. Patrick Quaid had just said earlier, it's the only piece of the brain that moves around. And we are in control of which way it moves based on putting different glasses on it. So we can affect brain function and help people that we haven't been able to help before with all the newest research. So hopefully you'll put up with all the new drastic changes, because it's kind of a necessary thing to get to where we want to go, where we do help underprivileged people, brain-injured people who've lost their jobs and can't afford anything, patients with learning disabilities where the parents have multiple kids and can't afford to take them. These are all things we want to address in the future, but in order to get there, we need this stepping stone. There's a poem about stepping stones and stumbling blocks and which way you look at the obstacle in front of you, and hopefully you'll start looking at this as a stepping stone rather than a stumbling block. Thank you for your support of the Mind-Eye Connection for over 25 years, and hopefully the next 50 years of the Mind Eye Institute will take it to the next level.